Do you enjoy volunteering in your community? Have you ever volunteered to pick up trash before? In this video about volunteering, you'll learn how to use the verb enjoy. Over the summer, I volunteered to pick up trash in a park in my community. I was really happy that I went. I helped make the park cleaner and safer for wildlife. And I also had a lot of fun. I enjoyed the nature, and I enjoyed spending time with my friends. So what are some ways that we can use the verb enjoy? Enjoy means to feel happy when doing something. One way that we can use enjoy is before a noun. I enjoy nice weather. Another way that we can use enjoy is before a gerund. A gerund is the ing form of a verb that acts as a noun. We enjoy helping our community. What do you enjoy doing for your community? Tell us in the comments. This is American English. Thank you for watching.